Aokman, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers. Over 30 years of experience in gearbox manufacturing. Aokman always improved gearing technologies with the spirit of craftsmen. Superior research and development design capabilities have become the primary productive force of Aokman's rapid development. R&D concept. Inspiration to provide the perfect drive solution for our customers is the foundation behind research and development. Aokman has a professional gear and reducer technology research and development team and reached the international advanced level in the technology of gear, reducer, and power transmission elements. Mechanical machining. Cutting-edge production technology is the essential building block to achieve high-performance geared products in order to the Aokman's customers are asking for. The high-tech equipment and specialized labor guarantees reliability, quality, and uniformity of heat treatment processes. The industrial complex has been steadily upgraded with leading-edge machinery, which ensures quality according to international norms and standards. ISO, DIM, and AGMA, and precision in producing gears with quality grade 6, ISO 1328. Aokman imported equipment from Germany, such as the CNC gear teeth grinders and milling cutters. The Niles and Hoffman gear controller allows for ideal precision in gear production. Aokman factory offers the most efficient high-precision production lines, flexible and specialized assembly coating lines, and the digital management system. Protect the environment by using natural resources wisely and seeking benefits to society and the environment. Quality control. At Aokman, we know quality is very important to our customer, and we instill that responsibility in every employee. Stringent quality control is carried out at each production stage, from arrival of the raw materials to delivery of the tested, approved products. Any release of the quality control is performed by the precision measuring tools and modern measuring equipment. Warehouse. Warehouse information management is the key to improve efficiency and fast delivery. Parts warehouse implemented barcode management, and the inventory accuracy reached over 90%. After the implementation of Aokman Factory Information Platform, the production capacity increased by more than 50%. Market application. Aokman product line provides the user with a drive solution for different market segments, such as cement drive, sugar mill, mining, pulp and paper, metallurgical, textile, packaging, agriculture, construction, food industry, automation, palm oil, and various other types of machines. Customer service. The product's quality of Aokman allies to the security and efficiency of its management, who makes it a brand synonymous with credibility with its suppliers and customers. We are committed to winning a partner rather than a simple supplier. Make a good deal? Always consult Aokman professionals. We assure you of the utmost reliability and security for both products and services. We are Aokman, the total drive solution provider. Aokman, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers. Over 30 years of experience in gearbox manufacturing. Aokman always improved gearing technologies with the spirit of craftsmen. Superior research and development design capabilities have become the primary productive force of Aokman's rapid development. R&D concept. Inspiration to provide the perfect drive solution for our customers is the foundation behind research and development. Aokman has a professional gear and reducer technology research and development team and reached the international advanced level in the technology of gear reducer and power transmission elements.
Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Aokman China. Nice to meet you and welcome to our lecture today. This is my colleague Kurt.
Hi everyone, this is Kurt and we are Aokman here once again. Today I'm so glad to stand in here with my colleague Cassie. And we already give a brief video introduction about our company. For those who haven't watched the video, we will be give a recap at the end of the live show. So before we start, let me ask you a question, Cassie.
Yeah.
Some question. So first of all, how long have you been working here in Aokman? And do you still remember the first day situation? And could you share us more about the gearbox industry?
Yeah, sure. So many questions. Of course, I remember that date very clearly. I came to Aokman on September 26, 2016, over 5 years. I remember that day very clearly because that day is very important for me. It's my big day. Since that day, I entered the transmission field as a freshman. And compared with my college, I'm still a freshman. Even I'm almost 6 years, but most of my colleagues, they have been working in Aokman for more than 10 years.
Wow, you are so humble. So actually you have been working for more than 5 years.
Yeah.
So I believe you have gained lots of experience and expertise. Okay, so now I think for every company the most important thing is their product.
Yeah.
So next we will tell you that our main business is gearbox, and we know that there are so many kinds of gearbox, like tons of them, all different kinds. But in the next following, I'm going to share you some of 4 of the products which are the most popular, good sales, and it's also our signature product.
Yeah, sure. So let's start from the standard item. And some of you already watched our company videos. We already have a complete company video about families. So if you missed that video, don't worry, we have another recap the video after this live show. So don't miss this opportunity. Now let's move on to the product introduction.
Yeah, let's see here. I'm going to introduce this one and this one. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Both called RV gearbox. And this one you can see it's like an open structure.
Yeah.
You can see all the gear and the worm, how it looks like, and we can tell it's well grounded.
Yes.
And let's move to the top one. This is like the outlooking of the gearbox.
Yeah.
We can see the design and the structure and the textile. It looks all good.
Yes.
Because this kind of gearbox, they are made of the aluminum alloy, so which makes it looks so beautiful, and they have a wide application in many industries. So mainly for the light duty industries. So this one is most popular, and which also accounts for most of our sales numbers.
Yeah, it's a top sales item.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the next star item. We call the helical gear motors. You can see this one, this golden finish, the very shiny products. Yeah, the helical worm gear motors, the helical parallel, the helical inline. We call it the helical gear motors because, how to say, it's also popular because they provide a very wide range of radius and torches. So they can make majority applications in the market.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, I guess these products can help our customers to set up their business, to enlarge the business very quickly.
Yeah, thanks for helping. So next we are moving to this product, and the third one product. This one we call it 88 series product. And we can know from the structure, it's like a parallel structure, but we still call it as a shaft-mounted gearbox.
Yes.
And this kind of gearbox are widely used in many mining, quarry, and conveyor belt connection. Yes. So it also has a really good application. And this kind of product, by saying that we are the top one
in China,
top one manufacturer in China, because we are not bragging, but from the design and the product capacity and the quality, we can see that we are the best. So if you are looking for such product, Aokman will be your best choice.
Okay, the next one is a new star item. We call it high precision planetary gearboxes. This one is very popular for automatic field, such as CNC machine, the printing machine, and the AGV trucks and such machinery arms, because they provide very professional, very high precision operations, and with very low backlash, almost 10 or 5 Aokman. So this item is very precise. You can use it with thermal motors. Even though we have introduced all standard items, the popular star items. Yes.
Yeah. So here's the signature and the standard items. Some customer or audience may be wondering, like I have a special project, or I need to launch a new project. If my gearbox, the gearbox they are looking for is not in those products, so Aokman satisfy them?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we have two different kinds of strings. One is standard item. I think most of our customers or audience, your main business is focused on the standard item as well. Another strings, we have R&D team over 300. For all Aokman team, we have over 3,000 staff. Only in R&D, we have 300 staff. They can design, they can make sure your concept into real items.
Yeah, we have strong technical support.
Yeah, so we'll show some images.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see there are 3 images for custom-made projects. Because that product is very large.
Yeah, so because of the limitation of the live showroom, we can't just move them to here, so we have to restore them in the inventory.
Yes, you can see from the left one, the nuclear station. Okay, we have 3 images in the videos. You can see we have 3 images. One from the nuclear station gearboxes. It's very large, about 3 floor high. So we cannot use put the sample inside of lecture room.
Yeah, we apologize for that because it's so big.
Yes. And the second one is the planetary gearboxes.
Picture.
Okay, we have a picture, custom-made item pictures. Now it's custom-made items. It's a very large item.
The big one.
Yeah.
The next.
I think the after 2 pages, the green one, the nuclear station gearboxes.
Yeah, here are all the products.
Yes,
already.
these are custom-made items.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Eventually we got the product. Before we just show the same picture here, so we just
yeah.
give an idea to our audience. We just talk about.
Yeah, we'll go through the standard item.
Yeah.
We'll take attach the images for your review. They're big images. For this item, it seems very small, but actually it's very big.
Yeah, it looks small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next one. This one you can see we have planetary boxes. Usually used on the sugar mill and the cement ball mill, the rotary. It's a very large item.
Yeah. Oh, this one, the shape looks so weird. Why?
Because custom-made items, we made this item according to customer space, the mounting space limitations. At the same time, to reduce the cost as much as possible. So this gearbox is shaped now this same standard, so similar like the standard item. So we can make the item the outlook according to customer requirement.
Okay, that's a good explanation.
Yeah.
So now we finish the product part by saying that how could we prove we are one of the leading manufacturers of the gearbox in China. Some of the audience may wondering how could you prove that you are the best gearbox or one of the best gearbox manufacturer, because we actually invest lots of money on the equipment.
Yes.
Here I'm going to show you some of the equipment what we purchased from. Okay, let's move to the next picture.
Okay, you can see equipment from the German, the grinding machines.
Yeah, okay, let's move to the next picture. Oh, yeah, so this is the equipment what just I talked about is from German, and their company name is Nausch.
Yes, the very famous brand.
Yeah, this is a grinding machine. It has a grinding wheel inside of the machine, and it will help process the gear. So especially after the heat treat step, and it will eliminate the deformation, especially after that, and it will actually increase the gear accuracy.
Yes, and finally it will increase the gearbox lifetime after purchase from Aokman. Okay, next image.
Yeah, here is another one what we purchased from. We also purchased it from Europe.
Yes.
From Austria.
Austria.
Yeah, and this one is for the heat treating process. Heat treating is also a very important process because it will increase the hardness of the gear, which can make sure the quality and the lifetime of the gear.
Yeah.
So that's why this is also very important equipment. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next one, this is our CNC, actually the packing line. It's like a real shop of a workshop. And this one, we also bought from one of the top 5 supplier from United States. So their quality and the brand effect are also very good. So this one will make sure we pack them in the right place at the right time, and will also increase our efficiency.
Yes. Okay.
So now we already
We'll finish the equipment.
Yeah, the equipment.
Okay, the customer care about our products, our equipment, and finally, I think the most customers want to know about quality control.
Yeah.
Yeah, the quality is so important for our customers. We want to explain 2 points here because time very short. But if you want to know more, I guess we invite you to test our sample, test our products. You will see what we said is true. Okay, for Aokman quality, you always set an ERP system, ERP meeting before each project is production and move on next step. We gather the technical department, the production department, the sales department, the QC department to talk about the questions the customer want to ask, want to know, want to meet their quality applications. Before we move on the project, we know that we can make this project, we can make the cost down. And at the same time, from the raw material to the delivery, each step was finished inside of our factory to make sure the quality is stable. At the same time, to make the cost down.
Yeah, okay, that's a really good explanation. So
Thank you.
So audience will know how the inside of Aokman works.
Yeah.
From the idea to the real reality. So that's a really good answers for that question. Okay, next I think I'm going to show you a short video about our warehouse and the delivery. Okay.
Yes.
Aokman spare parts are available. It not only can be shorten the delivery time, but also can meet customers' bulk order. Spare parts warehouse includes bulk part storage, housing part storage, gear storage, and so on. The spare parts warehouse adopts the automated management system and AGV delivery method to ensure the production will be finished on time. Aokman QC will check each part before storage to increase the whole production process efficiency and ensure the gearbox quality.
Increase the efficiency of 40%.
Yeah, because as you can see from the video, our warehouse is really big and everything is ready to go. And some of the customers, they really care about the lead time and the delivery on time. So by having this kind of system, we can accelerate the production time. So it can always make sure we deliver our delivery on time.
Yes. Okay, last thing I want to show you that you can see the so many gift box here. It's a gift boxes we prepare for this live show. You know, in Aokman we set up from 1982 up to today. I think the main business factors, one of our all-staff efforts. Another factor I think is the customer support. Because of your help, we can come to today. So we want to say thank you, and we want to give the free samples for this live show. There are about 10 free samples on this live show. If you need to test Aokman product or want to test the samples, and you want to set up the distribution relationship with Aokman, welcome to ask our sales department staff or leave a message on our website, on the LinkedIn, on YouTube, anything, anywhere you can contact us. Leave your message. We will contact you and send you samples after the live show. Okay, thank you again. Even my live show is here. Don't move. Stay here. My colleague will tell you how to identify the different items in the market. Even they look similar. And how you will benefit from a live show, how you benefit from Aokman products, how we will help you to enlarge your business. So, welcome my colleague Andy and Luke to introduce the most popular item, shaft-mounted gearboxes 18 series. Okay. Welcome to our live showroom. I'm Andy.
I'm Luke. Welcome to our new showroom. Andy today you are so beautiful today.
Thank you.
So you can see this is our quality. Many thanks for Casey and Kurt to introduce our Aokman company. Yes, if you like our company, you can send more details and any question to us. We will give you as soon as possible.
Yes, and as you know, Aokman is the leading manufacturer of gearbox and motor. Well, today we are mainly introducing for you the ATA shaft-mounted gearbox. As you can see, this is the shaft-mounted gearbox. We name is ATA, and it is same ratio and performance as Banfiglio TA series. So if you are interested in our shaft-mounted gearbox, please follow us and send your inquiry to our service team.
Yes, many thanks for Andy to introduce ATA for everyone. About the ATA shaft-mounted gearbox, we have large cruising capacity, smooth transmission, low injury, and lightweight.
Exactly.
Yes. Next, I want to share more details for everyone. I will share a video for you, everyone. Okay.
Wow, really?
Follow me to see the video.
Okay. This is the shaft-mounted gearbox in our factory, and this is the semi-finished product. This is the finished product. We also warmly welcome you visit our factory and check the gearbox quality by your own eyes.
Yes. So if you have any question and want to get a free sample to this our lady for your ATA gearbox, you can send your email and send your mobile phone number to us. Our service team will be here as soon as possible.
Yes, as you can see, this is the application in the video.
Yeah, okay. Many thanks to see our video for our ATA gearbox. Okay, if you want, this is our ATA gearbox. If you want for example, to test the quality, you can call me and send your email and send any questions to us.
Yes, for example, also is available. As you know, HA shaft-mounted gearbox, generally it will installation outdoor, so it with high shock loads, dirt and corrosive environment. And so it with a good sealing and dust-proof function, absolute reliability and low maintenance cost.
Yes, if you have any drive solution, we can offer a professional drive solution for you. Okay, for ATA gearbox is most popular and welcomed in marine, quarry, better conveyor, and any other quarry business. So next, I want to offer more details for everyone. I will share a video for you to see our ATA gearbox application. I think this business can meet your market. And if your business have this marine, quarry, better conveyor, and crusher and roller, I think you can get our ATA gearbox. The ATA gearbox can help your business and increase your market.
Yes,
okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, next follow me to see a video for our ATA application.
Okay, you can see this is the
warehouse.
Yeah, warehouse.
And this is the video for the conveyor, and this is the quarry.
Yeah, quarry industry.
Yes. This is our Aokman gearbox. We use our customers that conveyor. So many thanks for to see this video. If you want more details and any question, you can tell me. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you want to test our quality, you can also tell me.
Yes. That's now look share us the application. That's very great, and you can And you can see about the 88 shaft-mounted gearbox. You can see the input. We will connect motor by pulley belt, and the output is a hollow bore. We also have different bore size.
Yes, which other both said I want to ask your question. Which both said can be used in their market?
You mean the bore size in the market?
Yes.
Which one is popular?
Yes.
Okay, I understand. Thanks for your question. Maybe you also have the dots about the bore size. And you can see the bore size. This is a smaller one.
Yes.
Our smallest one bore size is 13 millimeter.
Yes.
30.
Yes, 30 is our 88
Smaller, yeah.
Yes.
Smallest bore size is 30 millimeter, and we also have the biggest, for example, 135 millimeter.
Wow, I see. This is the budget from 30, from 30 to 135.
Yes,
Oh,
30, 40, 45,
Yeah.
50, and so on. The biggest is 135 millimeter.
Okay, I get it. So, since if you want to get 30, 40, 45,
Yes.
50, 50, and 70, 80, 100, 125, and 135, 135, Aokman 88 gearbox can offer you any question.
Yes, the bore size can meet all of your need. And we also see this side and this side all is the 88 shaft mounted gearbox. And now I have one question, look.
Okay.
About the color, can you share?
Color. Okay, in our use room, you can have 88 gearbox color. One, this is green.
Yeah,
And
green.
this is the blue.
Blue,
Yes. The green and the blue color are most welcome and popular in our customers' market. I think this color can meet your customers' request. So if you have any other color request, I can help to do. Don't worry.
Okay. Green and blue is most popular in the market. So if you are interested in our gearbox, please follow us and send your inquiry to our service team. We will offer you the professional solutions at once. And also just now we said the bore size is input part, also the color, and next we will introduce the ratio.
Yes. I want to ask the ratio can be used. About the ratio, we have a single stage and a double stage.
Yeah, single stage and double stage. Our smaller ratio is 5 and 7.
Yes,
5
and 7. 5
yeah.
and 7 is for 88 gearbox single stage. Okay, again.
And just now, Luke also said that we have also double stage.
Double stage,
Yeah,
okay.
double stage for bigger ratio.
Bigger ratio, okay.
For example, 10.
10,
Yes, 12.5.
okay.
12.5 and yes, 20.
20,
Yeah, 31.
and 25,
Yeah.
and 31. Okay, I get
exactly.
it. This is for 88 gearbox single stage is for 5 and 7. And bigger ratio is for double stage, such as 20, 25, and 31.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, in the market, I think 20 and 25 is most popular. Yes.
You are right. Because double stage is most popular, and that is 10, 15,
15,
yeah,
yes.
and 20 is most popular in our market.
Okay, I get it. For the box set is 40, 45, 15, 55, 16, 17, 18 is most popular and welcomed. About the ratio, it's 15, 20, and 25 is more is most popular and welcome in the market, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I get it. So, the audio showroom friends, may I know if you understand our issue and process. If you want more details, you can send your question and any problem we can review as soon as possible. So follow us and follow Aokman.
Yes, not only the gearbox is popular for our clients were like the gearbox, but also the packaging also very beautiful.
Yes, packaging.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next, Andy will show some picture to show our ATK box packaging.
Okay, we can see the pictures. You can see this is the inside the picture of HA. There are some soft material wrap the gearbox to protect the gearbox during transportation.
Yes.
And okay, we can see next.
Next.
Next, this is the finished packaging. Generally, it is for smaller model. You can see one pallet that with 12 pieces.
Yes.
Generally, it depends on the gearbox model. If it is bigger, we will pack separately.
Yes. Okay. Next picture.
This, you can see this one. This is a bigger model.
Big model.
Yeah, we pack separate. Only one pieces in the box.
For big model such as 70, 80, 100, 125, and 135, we can offer this packaging, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Just now look also side, for example, 135 model will pack like this.
Yes, okay.
Okay, you can see in the picture, the right part is our batch order of shaft-mounted gearbox, and this is gray color, and the picture shows. And in the left part, it is packaging. Packaging, you can see the packaging.
Handle.
Yeah, with the handle.
Okay,
Yeah, you're right. The handle is we can help the workers to transport easier because we can carry it. That is very easy.
Okay, I see. This the handle is can be easy to deliver the ATK box.
Yes, exactly. Okay, we can see next picture. Yeah, you can see this is the finished packaging. After finished packaging, we will ship to you at once. And you can see next picture is shipping pictures. Okay, please next. Yeah, you can see this picture will into the one whole containers.
Yes.
Generally, because HA shaft mounted is very popular in the market. So for our clients, one container, two containers, three containers, that is common. Yeah.
Yes. For one container, about our ATK box, the quantity is about 200, and from 200 and 250.
Yes, one container about 200 pieces. Well, it also depends on the model. If the model is bigger, the quantity will be less.
Yes.
If the model is smaller, the quantity will be more in one container.
Yes. Okay, many thanks. Next, I will offer more details for you or share a video for our package.
Yeah, there will be a video for you. It will be more clear to see the packaging.
This is our green color. You can see this is the finish in our warehouse.
This is the quality checking. After quality checking, we will ship the gearbox. We will pack the gearbox. Soft material.
Okay, this is our small model.
Smaller model.
This is for 40, 45, and
After after finish packaging, will my colleague responsible for the quality checking, he will check again. If everything is okay, we will ship to you.
Okay, many thanks for Andy to introduce our 88 gearbox package. Okay, next, if you want to get a free sample, you can send your email and send your mobile phone number to us. Our service team will reply you as soon as possible.
Yes, maybe your clients also like the packaging very much.
Yes, the packaging is very most popular and welcome in the market because I went to our customers' company and factory and in their shop, the 88 gearbox with the beautiful package is very sells well.
Wow, so your clients like the packaging and also the gearbox quality very much.
Yes.
Maybe you also take some pictures?
Yes. In our customer factory and company, we have takes lots of picture and video. I went to Riyadh. Do you know Riyadh?
Oh, Riyadh.
Yes, Riyadh.
That's a beautiful city. It is the capital of Saudi Arabia.
Yes, you are right. Riyadh really is a wonderful and clean city. Riyadh is a famous city in Middle East market.
Yes.
Yes, I went to Riyadh 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks in Riyadh. We visit lots of company and factory and have a wonderful meeting for future completion. Okay, next I want to offer more picture for everyone to see our to see our 88 gearbox.
Okay, now we can see the pictures in Riyadh in our company factory.
Okay, in the first picture you can find me because I think this picture.
Yes, I love to find you.
Yes, you can find our colleague Mr. Colin and our 3 other customers. We just finished our meeting and take the picture in their shop. In this picture you can see our 88 gearbox.
Yeah, there are 3 pieces packaging. That is all the picture.
Yes, in this picture you can see our 88 gearbox and with the old package. Okay, next picture I will show our new model package. Yes, this is our new model packaging design. If you order our 88 gearbox now, I will show this design to you.
Yeah, order now new design for you about the packaging.
Yes, okay, next picture. Okay, in this picture you can find me.
Yes, I can you. That is so cute.
Because the friend is Mr. Motion. Mr. Motion is very tall.
Strong and tall.
Yes, so you can me is very so cute.
Yes.
Okay, in this picture you can find their business.
Yeah. Which business of this customer?
Yes, in the picture you can see their business is quarry.
Quarry.
Yeah, money. In crusher.
Crusher.
And quarry.
And quarry. Yeah.
Yes. So and this I'm a better carnivore.
Yeah. All business can use our shaft mounted gearbox.
Yes. Because their business there are quarry, mining, crusher, better carnivore, and roller. Yes, if your business like this, our 88 gearbox can help your business. I think our 88 gearbox can help your business and help your customers. Okay, in this picture you can we just finished the meeting in their office. You can see this the picture is in our customer office. We just finished the meeting about our 88 gearbox in the future. So that's the most. This customers order 1 container gearbox with me. So I see this picture. I'm very happy.
Yes, you are so happy to see these pictures because this customer every time order 1 container and 1 container, 1
Yes,
one and one.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So I think because the customers order one container and one container gearbox because our container because our 88 gearbox quality is very very good in the market and the price is beautiful. So so your business is very better and better.
Yeah. After use our soft-mounted gearbox, your business will better and better. The business will booming and booming.
Yes,
That's it.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So I think this 80 gearbox can help your business and can increase your market in your country.
Yeah. After finish meeting, maybe you have some deals.
Yes. Next picture I will show our dinner in the Okay. Next picture. Yes. We finished the meeting and talk about some question for our 80 gearbox. So in the night we have a dinner. The dinner is very delicious.
Yes, looks very delicious. When I saw these pictures, now I'm starving. Very hungry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next I will we can have a dinner again.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to visit our company, visit our factory, and welcome to China. I want to have a dinner with you.
Yeah.
So if you want to get taste our gearbox quality and to get free sample, you can send your email and send your mobile phone number to us and for Aokman. I think our this gearbox can be visited your any question and any request.
Yes, exactly. Just now we saw these pictures. That's really interesting. I also hope I have a chance to visit our other countries with my colleague, and also to learn to see some beautiful views and learn more customs.
Yes, we just talk about our API gearbox ratio of portable state and
Also input.
Yeah, input set and color
Yeah.
and packaging design. Next, I want to talk about our API gearbox spare parts.
Spare parts.
Yes.
Yes, exactly. Generally, the spare parts is torque arm.
Yes, top arm and backstop. Yes.
Exactly.
And the backstop inside the API gearbox. Inside and the top arm it can be used our gearbox. You can send me top arm. I will show our friends.
Yes, this is a torque arm.
Yes.
You can see this is our torque arm, and also the backstop inside. If with the backstop, it can only running in one direction.
Yes.
Yeah, if without the backstop, the gearbox can run in two directions.
Yes, yes, okay. And next we just talk about the most important for everyone, for you, for me, and for every people. This it is the quality control.
Yes. Maybe we talk with our clients. They have a lot of thoughts about the quality control. So look, can you explain the quality control to our clients?
Yes, the quality is most important for everyone and every company. Aokman never done one-time business, so quality is our company life. So we operate the quality with our advanced equipment from Germany, Japan, and Australia to ensure our hardness and gear and hardness.
Yeah, gear hardening to make sure the gear hardness and the gear accuracy.
Yes. Okay.
We are because we are committed to winning a partner rather than the simple supplier.
Yes, yes. So if you want to test our quality, you can send your email and mobile phone number to follow us and follow Aokman. With our AT gearbox is available for your any question.
Okay, and the time is too short. So we also want to show you more our gearbox. In the next, our colleague Linda and Leo will share every one gearbox to you.
Okay, welcome to Leo and Linda to introduce our RV1 gearbox.
Yeah. Okay, welcome them.
Leo and Linda.
Okay, thanks for my colleague Andy and Luke's introduction of our 88 chassis mounted gearbox. Yeah, hello everyone, welcome to Aokman live channel. This is Leo. My company Aokman was set up in 1982. Yeah, we focus on all kinds of gearbox and gear motors. This time I will help you get to know more of Aokman company and also our RV series. Okay, now let's welcome my colleague Linda.
Okay, thank you everyone to welcome to our showroom. Thanks Leo. And yes, we have founded for 40 years.
Yeah, hi Linda. Yeah, as I know, the RV series is one of our most popular products. And then some of our customers report that our RV series are the same as our manufacturer in the market. Then while Aokman sales continue to increase and become more and more popular.
Actually, most of Aokman RV orders are from the exciting customers. After they have the trial order, they found the Aokman RV gearbox have more high performance and the most lighter, and so they compare with others. They found they save the purchasing cost with others.
Yes, Aokman always care about the quality. And look, I see there are two types housing of Aokman RV series housing. What's the difference between them?
Yes, up to now, Aokman RV gearbox has two types.
Yeah.
One is this type. This is square type, and it's traditional type. And it has popular for many years and still popularity in many areas. And this is the new type. It's a little curve on the housing and outside. You can see it's a little curve on top and also I said it looks low profile, but it's still durable as this same. If you have many RV warm gearbox in your market, I suggest that you can choose this type. Leo, which type do you like?
Yeah, for me, I most like the traditional type. Yeah, so how about you, Linda?
I like this new type, but I like this blue color.
Yeah, we have the really different ideas. I like the traditional, but I like the gray color.
Okay.
Yeah, the appearance is always different. Except for this, I think that there are other reasons to make Aokman RV series famous in the market. So could you tell me some more details?
Okay, we have both the same types to compare from different aspects. Next, we will show all some findings.
Yes. Yeah, look there, the warm straps in my hand. So what's the material of it?
Okay, you can see there's a warm shaft, Aokman RV warm shaft in my hand. First, its material is different. Aokman warm shaft uses the low carbon alloy steel, so it have the more wear resistance after the carbonization. The heat treatment, so it can ensure the warm shaft have the high quality and it's more durable.
Yes, I can see it looks finely processed and smooth. So what's the special process Aokman implements during the production?
Yes, the second point is the accuracy. Aokman RV warm shaft uses the high precision CNC grading machine, so it can improve the warm shaft accuracy. And we use the high precision instrument for the detection, so it can ensure the warm shaft has the high efficiency and the longer life.
Yes, yeah, you see the accuracy. The accuracy is really important for the gearbox. So except for this, are there any other difference between Aokman warm shaft and other brand warm shaft?
Yes, this the point. You can see we Aokman workshop is very clean.
Yeah.
We even to clean the tooth top and the tooth bottom.
Yes.
Yeah, so without the polish, it will cause the ginger during the working. Aokman with the polish, it can reduce the generator and tooth mesh smoothly. So it can ensure the wound shaft have the high quality. And with this difference, Aokman wound gear, this is the reason why Aokman wound gearbox is so popular in these years.
Yes, Augmented users are strictly controlled in every small details. That's why we are famous in the market. And what's the unique process Augment as when producing?
Yes, the fourth point is we add the chamber on the tooth top. This is the chamber. Yeah, with this chamber, it makes the tooth smooth and it avoids the generator during the working. And without the chamber, it will cause the compression during the different compounds. So it will cause to reduce the wound shaft life and affect the gearbox life.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next we'll show a video for the difference of Aokman worm shaft with others. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, let's see the video. Yeah, okay, thank you, Linda. Yeah, thank you, Linda, introduced the workshop of our RA series, and also thanks for the videos. Yeah, my lovely friends and my customers, I'm very happy to have you guys here. If you like our products, yeah, please follow us and leave your contact information, leave your message, leave your inquiry. Yeah, please don't hesitate to contact with us.
Yes, please follow us and contact with our customer service.
Yes.
You can see we prepare the simple for you and special gifts for you. Okay, so don't hesitate to contact with our customer service, and you will get the big surprise for you.
Yes, contact us and follow us. Okay, yeah, next we will show you another important component of our RV series, the worm gear. As I know, the worm gear will affect the speed ratio of the gearbox. So what kind of worm gear does Aokman use?
Yes, as you know, quality is very important to Aokman. Yeah, so we use Aokman worm gear uses the most durable tin-ground material. Yeah, tin-ground material. It has the more durable and have the high quality and have the high efficiency. Most of the RV gearbox on the market use the aluminum bronze. Aluminum bronze will prone to gluing are easy to cause the damage of the tooth mesh, and then it will cause the and lead to the worm gear more damage and to reduce the gear life and affect your equipment life.
Yes, the material is so important. Yeah, it's the first step of the producing. Yeah, it will help our customers to reduce the maintenance cost and also the maintenance time. So, except for this difference, are there any other difference between Aokman worm gear and other brand worm gear?
The second point is the processing is different. Yeah, we use the high processing method, so it can ensure the worm gear has the efficiency and it tooth smoothly, and so it can reduce the generator, heat generator.
Yes.
And with others use the roof processing, so it will cause the noise and have it easy to damage when the working. And the third point is the profile is different. We add the chamber on the tooth top. You can see it on the worm gear. So maybe it's difficult to understand the chamber. Next, we'll show a video for you the chamfer with Aokman with other different with other brands. Okay.
Why Aokman RV is better? Aokman One Gear has evolved its profile, which has high transmission efficiency and has been chamfered. The noise during work is low, and the transmission accuracy will be greatly improved. In contrast to other brands, the tooth profile is automated, the transmission efficiency is relatively low, and there is no chamfering processing. The one wheel is noisy during work. Furthermore, the one gear and the one shaft are easy to collide, which seriously affects the transmission accuracy. Aokman one gear is made of precision machining, which makes the one gear more wear resistant, longer service life, and higher transmission accuracy. Other brands use rough processing, which will accelerate the wear of one gear and severely shorten its life.
Yeah, okay, thanks for our engineers' explanations. Yeah, for our one gear. And my friends and my customers don't hesitate to follow us. Yeah, you see our very simple. Don't hesitate to connect with our service colleague, and you will have a chance to get it.
Yes, please don't hesitate to leave your message and your WeChat and WhatsApp, and you'll be the lucky man to get the sample, and we will prepare the biggest surprise for you.
Yes, the biggest surprise. And okay, yeah, next time we will show you another component of our series, the bearing. As I know, the bearing will directly affect the running efficiency and also the speed ratio of the gearbox. So what kind of bearing does Aokman use?
Yes, you can see there's in my hand is Aokman cylinder bearing.
Yeah.
Yes, we use the international famous bearing brand CNU. You do know the CNU?
Yeah, of course I know that it's a very famous brand, bearing brand in the market.
Yes, CNU uses the high precision processing method, so it can ensure the gear has a longer life and it's more durable and it has the high performance. So it can ensure the home gear working more have the longer life. In the market, most of the gearbox use the not famous bearing brand and have the low quality, so it will cause the during the working it will cause the loud noise and vibration, a strong vibration, so it will affect the equipment efficiency and the service life.
Yes, Aokman cares about every small detail. That really means a lot. And Linda, I cannot see the internal structure of the bearing. Why?
Okay, Aokman use the dual seal bearing. You can see this side is seal and another side is also seal. It's very beneficial for the home gearbox, as the first one is the metal tips cannot go inside, and so the bearing is at this and on this point. Cannot go inside, so it can't damage the home shaft and home gear, and it can protect the inside. And another for this is the dual seal bearing, so it can protect it will not cause the oil leakage. And others use the open structure bearing. It will cause the metal tips can go inside and will damage the home shaft and home gear, and will also damage the bearing ball. The bearing in the inside. And so it will cause the oil leakage. So that's why Aokman chooses the dual seal bearing.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Next we will show a video for the Aokman bearing with others.
Yeah, okay, thank you Linda for showing us Aokman our series bearing. you have until now you have shown us the gearbox, the housing, the worm gear, the worm shaft, and also we use C&U good quality, the bearing. Except for this, I think that there are other reasons to make Aokman famous. Yeah, as I know, the assembly is one of the most popular, most important reason. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next time we will show you our Aokman assembly. Yeah. Let's see the video. Yeah. You can see this is Aokman assembly workshop. This is our mature assembly workers and also our professional assembly working machine. You can see every of our workers is very mature. They have so many years to work like this. Yeah, you can see this is they are assembling the boat, and this is assembling the plane, and this is the test. Every of Aokman producers will be tested before delivery. This ensure our quality, and this is yeah.
Okay, thanks Leo to introduce for Aokman we assemble processing. So maybe you will be more familiar to our Aokman, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Next, I will show you some of our finished products. Yeah. Let's see some pictures. Yeah, you can see this is our blue color our series. It's customized with the solid shape.
Yeah, I like this color.
And okay, yeah, next one. Yeah, this is also the blue color. Yeah, you like it. Yeah, your favorite color. And this is the standard NMRV with the input line and the hollow bar. And okay, next one. Yeah, this is the big model of our series. Yeah, as we know, the from RV30 to RV90, we use the aluminum housing, and more than the bigger than the 110. Yeah, we use cast iron housing. Yeah. Okay, next one. Yeah, you can see this is our special package for our VIP customers. You can see the package is very useful and very reliable to ensure no questions to delivery. Okay, that's one. And in this slide, I will show some of our different types of Aokman RV series. You can see for the inputs, we have the B5 flange, the B14 flange, and also the solid shaft, and also the square flange. And for the output, we have also really many different types, like the hollow bore, the solid shaft, the longer flange, and also the shorter flange, and also many other kinds of different types. No matter what requirements you have, Aokman will meet you. And because we really have the very professional engineer team.
Yes, thanks Leo to introduce many kinds of Aokman RV gearbox tabs. You can see this is a tab for the output flange.
Yes.
It's the FA out flange, and it also with the solid shaft. Also, you can choose the hollow shaft. We can make as your customer requires. And this is
this is square flange. Yeah, it's connect with the DC motor.
Yeah, for the motor. And Leo, if we want to make the ratio is more bigger, how we can reach it?
Yeah, we call that BRV. Use two RV gearbox to make the ratio more bigger.
Yes. If you want to reach the big ratio, you can contact with two aluminum gearbox contact together by the tapping, so you can get the big ratio. So if you have any question, you can contact with Aokman. Aokman is the best solution provider.
Yes, Aokman will meet all your requirements. Okay, yeah. Until now, we have shown you Aokman RV series, the components, and also the assembly, also our package. Yeah, I think you know why Aokman RV series are famous and popular in the market. And I think, as I know, there are also many applications of our receivers. So Linda, could you introduce some applications of our receivers to us?
Okay. Yes, as Aokman Avium gearbox is a modular design, so it can use many applications such as the conveyor belt and the mixer and the light industry for the packing for the industry.
Yes.
Okay, next we will show some picture for the Avium gearbox application. Okay, you can see this is Avium gearbox for the packing to the industry, like industry, logistic industry. And next. Okay, this is the most useful Avium gearbox for the conveyor, but it can use many industries for the food industry. Okay, next. It's for the agriculture. It's also for the conveyor. Yeah, but it's the different industry, and you can see the it's the output input is in solid shell.
Solid shell, yes.
Okay, next. This is for the
construction.
Yeah,
correct, and the construction industry.
Yes. Okay, next. Leo, I want to you kindly explain the Avium gearbox.
Yeah, of course, I know this. Yeah, this is for the car washing machine. Yeah, I love cars, so I know a lot of that.
Yes. Okay. Thanks our colleagues to show the different Avium gearbox usage.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and also thank you, Linda, for showing us our Aokman our receivers. You let us know more about Aokman gearbox and also our company. Yeah, my friends and my customers, please follow us. And if you have inquiry or interest, if you interest in our products or our company, please follow us and we will inquire. We will contact information. Our service colleague will contact you, and you can get our free sample. Long time partnership is always our company principle. Yes.
Yes. The time is very short to you and to us, and follow us and leave your message and email to contact with our customer service to get more details for the catalog, the size, or the dimension. Okay, next, welcome to our colleague Emily and Marcia to explain the high precision planetary gearbox. Okay, welcome.
Let's welcome them.
Okay, hello everybody. I'm Envy from Aokman Business Department. Hello everyone, this is Marcia from Aokman China. Welcome to visit our lab room. So Envy, I'm so happy to see that just like an ancient hero, we can get through from ancient times. Now back to ancient times, the modern times, we are meet at Aokman lab room. So it's our honor to be here. Okay, let's talk about the gearbox right now. And at first, please allow us to make a brief introduction about our company. Just now, our workmates and Casey had introduced our company information and our company history. So I think you have known that we have many type gearbox such as one-type gearbox, high precision, and heavy industry gearbox, and also with motors. Yeah, exactly. As a leading manufacturer of gearbox with nearly 40 years experience, we have a series of different types of gearbox. Yes. Hi, Marcia. Do you know what type of gearbox is most potential in the future markets? Sorry, I'm not sure. I'll give you three answers. You can choose them. Okay, thank you. A, one-type gearbox. B, helical bevel. C, high precision planetary gearbox. Let me think about it. I prefer C, the high precision planetary gearbox. Okay, you are too smart. That's correct.
Yeah, really? Yeah, right. But why is the gearbox the most potential in the future market?
Okay, let's explain that. I think many customers know that one-type gearbox is the most popular all over the world, and also its application is also worldwide. But as our engineer focused, the high precision gearbox will replace every one-type gearbox in the future because the high precision gearbox with special features such as high occurrence and high precision and eco-friendly, and also it can save energy for the customer. That's why we think high precision gearbox is the most potential in the future.
Yeah, thank you, Emily introduced the strategy. So I totally agree with you because it's widely used in different applications. So it's become more and more popular. So I prefer C. I wanted to know what's the selling point and advantage compared with other gearbox.
Okay, you can see this is the high precision plunger gearbox. It's with the unique advantage compared with other type gearbox. It's not only the small volume and beautiful design, but also it has the special features such as high occurrence and high precision, and most important is with no backlash. And it's mainly to reduce the output speed and increase the output torque. And it can ensure the precise transmission.
Yeah, very unique selling point. I will give you summarize. It includes the small volume, the high accuracy, and high torque, also the low backlash. That's the selling point and advantage. We all know that the material is the basis of the quality. So what about the material of this gearbox?
Okay, let's see the sample of the high precision gearbox. We can see the color is very beautiful. It's made up of golden color and black color. And the further housing and the flange material is ADC12. That means aluminum alloy die casting. And the inside the gears material is polycarbonate.
I also like the very beautiful and special colors. And also know that the material for the housing and flange is ADC12, and for the inner gear is 40CR. By the way, for the inner gear material, what's the hardness of it?
Okay, for the hardness is very important for the gearbox. For the surface of the gear's hardness is HRC 58-62. It's equal to a heavy industry gearbox. For the inside the gears, the hardness is HRC 33-40.
Very detailed hardness with numbers. To some extent, the hardness is a symbol for the durability. As we all know that it has flexible configurations. So what about its input configuration?
Okay, let's still see the sample. You can see this side is input configuration, is input flange, is the hollow kit. And the flange will contact with the motor adapter.
Then how about the output configurations?
Okay, let's another side. This side is output configuration. You can see it's the output shaft. Output solid shaft, please note that for this type gearbox is only with the solid shaft and the hollow. And you can see this is with one is key. If you want without key, it's also okay.
Okay, dear friends and customers, you have noticed that it has flexible configurations, but please notice that for the output configuration, it only has the solid shaft output. And we mentioned before it has the wide applications. So could you tell me more information about its applications?
Okay, for this type gearbox is most contact with civil motor, sub motor, and CNC machine, and plating industry, and automation industry. And normally is not equipped with 3-phase motor.
Exactly that. I also want to add some information. Such as it was used in the automatic production line, the robotics, and some technical arms. Up to now we have known some basic information such as the material, the hardness, the configuration, and the applications. It also has some excellent features. So next I want to introduce from the shape, how many types of the gearbox?
Okay, for the type gearbox, when we talk about the type, we will show you some picture. For the type this type gearbox is including inline and rectangle type. Okay, let's see some picture. Okay, this one is PAB inline type. Yes, PAB. Okay, next one is PABR. You can see the rectangle is rectangle type.
Yes.
Okay, next one is PPG. This one is PPG. Normally used the automation industry and painting industry. Okay, next one. Okay, just the different design is still the PPG. Okay, next one. Okay, you can see this one is PAD type, just the different design from another two types. Okay, next one. Okay, the angle type. Okay, next one. You can see this type gear. From this picture, you can see the inside the gearbox, the gear structure. Later, I will introduce the structure features.
Yes, thank you. So show me the pictures. Includes PAB, PABR, PPD, PPG.
Yes.
Yeah. Frankly speaking, I like all of them.
Okay.
But I want to know some more detailed technical data. Could you tell me something from the ratio?
Okay, when we talk about the ratio of this type of gearbox, we must separate one-stage gearbox and two-stage gearbox. For the one-stage gearbox, the ratio range is from 3 to 10, and for the two-stage gearbox, the ratio range is from 12 to 100. You can see the ratio range is very wide.
Yeah, exactly. It has a wide ratio range.
Yeah.
For the high precision gearbox, it also has a special features that is backlash. So could you tell me something about the backlash?
Okay. For the one-stage gearbox, the backlash is less than 3, and for the two-stage gearbox, the backlash is less than 10. You can see the backlash is very small, and the different backlash gearbox will be used in different industry. So if you want to choose the suitable backlash, please let us know your exact application and exact equipment.
Yes, thank you, Emily, for so professional and friendly introduction about the backlash.
Yeah.
You know that the customers may not attention to its efficiency because they want to save the energy.
Yeah.
So can you tell me about something about the gearbox efficiency?
Okay. For the one-stage gearbox, efficiency is up to 97%. And for the two-stage gearbox, the efficiency is up to 94%. It's a very high precision.
Yeah, very detailed information. If based on the precision, how many types of the gearbox?
Okay, there are 3 kinds of precision, including super precision and high precision and standard precision. Different precision gearbox will be used in different industry.
Yeah, very detailed type models. As we mentioned before, it has a compact size also with the small volume. So what about the weight of the gearbox?
Yes, you can see this gearbox is very small. The volume is very small. So you will think the weight is also very small. For the small number, the weight is less than 1 kilogram. Lighter than dumbbell. Yeah. For the biggest model number is less than 60 kilogram. So if you want to know the exact weight of each model number, please contact with us. If you contact with us right now, send a message to us, to our service people. Maybe you can get 1 free sample. It's a very big surprise.
Yeah, we're looking forward you'll be the lucky one.
Yeah.
Actually now we have to know something about the gearbox basic knowledge. Also we know some basic technical data. But the most important is how to select the most suitable model numbers for customers.
Okay. First, we must come from the type. Just now, we have talked about the type, including inline type and rectangle type. Mostly, it depends on your equipment installation space. After confirm the exact type, and we also must to know the torque and of the speed and read the power. Of course, except the motor. With enough taking data, we will choose the suitable model number for you.
Yeah, I agree with you. If we know all the information, then it will be easy to send the quotation to customer. But in reality, some customers can't know the detailed motor technical data. Then in this condition, what shall we do?
Okay, if the customer can't confirm the exact taking data, please try to find the motor drawing or motor dimensions. Because as you know, the flange will be contacted with the motor adapter. So we must confirm the input flange size according to the motor flange size. So I think you understand it's very important to find the input flange size.
Okay, I know that in this condition, we should to know the motor flange size because it's connected with the gearbox flange size. That is important.
Yes.
Yeah, and in the reality, customers didn't mention the accuracy standard. In this condition, we will choose Aokman accuracy standard.
Yes.
So yeah, except this, anything else we need to pay attention to?
Okay. Don't forget to advise us the ratio and the quantity and the application. And if you are using the red type gearbox, the hyper-zero gearbox, please send us the nameplate of currently using a reducer. We also can find some parameters according to their nameplate. With enough parameters, we can choose the correct model number for you. Then we can send the correct quotation to you. Please note that the more details, the more accurate model number for you.
Yeah, in my opinion, nameplate is also a good thing for me because it provides detailed information, including the model numbers, the power, the output speed, also the ratios. Yeah, the more information that we can send the quotation to customer as soon as possible. Okay, dear friends and customers, up to now we have to know some basic knowledge of gearbox, and we also know some technical data, and we also know how to select the most suitable gearbox models for customer. So please follow us, contact us, and send inquiry to us. If you place orders in our lab room, you will get a big gift. Yeah, a free samples.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a big surprise. I think many customers want to the free sample to test our gearbox. So actually now, the message to us and contact with our service people. And okay, let's go on.
Yeah. Okay, I hope you will be the lucky one. Okay. Yeah, and that's why I want to introduce about the gearbox. We know that it will provide the best transmission solutions for customers. Yes. So what's the transmission structure of the gearbox?
Okay, for this gearbox, the transmission structure including one sun gears, one planar gears, and one inner gears. With this structure, we can get the special features. For example, stable operation and strong resistance to the impact and vibration. And also you can get the big ratio with the small value.
Yeah, well, we made the introduction, including the sun gear, the planetary gear, also the inner ring gear.
Yes.
Yeah. Next, I want to introduce some excellent service. Yeah, the first one is how to guarantee the on-time delivery for customer.
Okay, for the delivery is a good question. I think you know our production capacity increased 50% than before. We have sufficient spare parts in inventory, and we can give you a very short delivery time is around 20 days. We have a new warehouse, so you don't worry about the spare parts stock.
Yeah, please remember that only 20 days for delivery. Yeah, because it's guaranteed, or it's based on our strong production capacity, our sufficient spare parts, also our warehouse. Yeah, we can guarantee the 20 days delivery.
Yes.
Yeah. After the delivery, you know, our products also get through the long distance transportations, where the air shipment or sea shipment. Yeah. Then, how to guarantee the products in good condition? So I want to know about our packaging conditions.
Okay, for the type gearbox package, we will show you some picture. Okay, for the inside the picture you can see.
The packaging picture, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see the inside is a plastic bag. We directly pack the gearbox inside. And for the outside, we will use the carton box. For the carton box and for the minimum number, we also use a wooden case to protect the gearbox during the transportation.
Yeah, okay, yeah, thank you for the pictures. You can see that it's one by one, layer by layer, very sturdy package.
Yeah.
So it will get through the long distance transportations. Yeah, next one is how about our installations?
Before installation, we must pay attention of the gearbox and motors, and granting all of them are in good condition. And then we must confirm the size of each spare parts are matched, and confirm the dimensions and measure the motors in the shaft and reduce the roof, and also including the motor's position.
Yeah, very detailed. So dear friends and customers, if you find any question or need any help during the installations, please feel free to contact us. We are always online in service for you.
Yes.
Yeah. As an international, as an important manufacturer of the gearbox, yeah, we pay attention to our
Certification.
certifications.
Yeah.
You know, we produce the products as per international standard. So, which certificate we have and which countries we exported to?
Yes, we must show you this for you. For this type gearbox, we have passed ISO 9001 CE EOL, and we have exported this type gearbox to American and UK, Dominica, and Brazil, and other Southern American countries. Most customers use this type gearbox under a CNC machine, automation industry, and technical robot and technical arms, and also other industry. And most gearbox are working well in their equipment.
Yeah, thank you. But I want to see the witness in the fact.
Yeah.
Please follow us to watch our video, our high precision planetary gearbox, also a product applications. Okay, let's watch it together.
Okay, let's have video. Okay, this is our finished gearbox.
Very beautiful colors.
Yes,
Yeah.
inline type. Inline type. Most customers like the inline. This is the application video from our customer. Okay, another video. You can see the package. Outside is pattern. Okay, this is another application video.
Thank you for your friendly introduction about the videos. And the next question is, some customers may worried about our warranty. So could you tell me more something?
Yes, for the warranty, I think many customers know that. According to the international standard, it's only 1 year with a warranty. But we trust our quality, so we can give you 1.5 years. And lifetime maintenance is always free. And we are always online and standby for you. So you can contact with us anytime. Don't worry about the time difference.
Yeah, dear friends and dear customers, did you hear it clearly? For international standard, it's only 1 year. But for Aokman is 1.5 year.
Yeah.
So you can always trust Aokman. Yeah. So customers will pay more attention to our inspection because it's an important factor in the whole process. So could you tell me more information about our inspection?
Okay, for the inspection, all the technical process must be controlled, and such as the gears pile and the fishing gears and the homing and grounding. All the process must be controlled, and all the spare parts and procedure will be tested. For the spare parts, before we using them, we must test their spare parts one by one. After finish the gearbox, we also will test the gearbox running and one by one. Any unqualified gearbox are not allowed delivery from our factory. We must ensure that the gearbox for you.
Yeah, you know that we have very detailed and strict inspection control. Yeah, because we as a leading manufacturer of gearbox, we are not only provide the gearbox with the most competitive price and the best service. It's also the high quality products. Yeah, because the quality is the core competence of the enterprise. It will help customers to open the market, to win the market, to expand the market share, and finally to create more value for customer.
Yes. So we must supply the good gearbox for you and guarantee the quality. And if you trust us, we don't let you down. So we must guarantee to win the market share for you. So and because of the time limits, we have to say goodbye to you. And now we make a summary for today's content. Today we have mentioned the gearbox, the configuration and the material, and also harness inside the gears harness, and also the selection method, and also delivery time, and also inspection. And if you also want to know other information, please contact with us right now. If you use the message to us, maybe you can get one free sample.
Yeah, dear friends and dear customers, thank you for taking time to watching high precision planetary gearbox live show. Yeah, please remember the ancient Hillary Emily. Also remember the ancient building museum. Okay, the next show is from our workmates Elsa and Anna. They will introduce our best-selling gearbox. Welcome, Elsa and Anna.
Okay, welcome.
Bye bye.
Hello everyone, welcome to Aokman Live Show. This is Anna.
Hello everyone, this is Elsa. Welcome to our live showroom. As you can see today, I have wear a very special Chinese clothes.
Yes.
And this is our traditional Chinese costume. So I hope today in our showroom friends, not only to learn more about our Aokman products, also can learn more about Chinese traditional culture.
Yes, yes.
The following time will belong me and my partner Anna. Okay, Anna?
Okay, for 40 years, Aokman has been supplying power transmission solutions and equipment to various industries around the world. And we have continuously strived to keep improving our quality control standard from automated facilities, more experienced workers, and technology innovations. Aokman also is proud to present you most popular products. These are series, P series, F series, and S series with compact structure, modular design, long service life, 1 stage, 2 stage, and 3 stage size. And also with the long service life, low energy consumption, high reduction ratio, and high hot density, low energy consumption, and superior performance.
Wow, sounds great,
Yes.
Anna. There are many new and friends who come in our live showroom today.
Yes, yes.
I want to take this opportunity to help them better understand our 4 series gearbox.
Okay.
So I have prepared some questions. I hope we can answer clearly together to help friends in the level showroom.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, and now the first question. What's the material of the housing and gear for the 4 series gearbox? And why Aokman use this type of material?
Okay, this is a very good question, and I believe in our lab showroom, a lot of our customers and friends would like to know this question. Actually, we use high rigid gear cast iron housing and the rigid gear tooth to adopt a high quality alloy steel, and it is hardened with carburizing and quenching treatments, and is refined by grinding to give gearboxes smooth drive in a low noise and improve their load capacity to have a long service life.
Wow, and so this can see that Aokman pays attention to the quality of the product.
Yes,
and also responds for the customer sense of use.
Yes, you're right.
That's very good position for the customer.
Yes.
Okay, and how about motor power range to connect with the gearbox? Can you introduce?
Okay. For these R-series, the motor power range is from 0.18 to 160, and for these P-series and F-series is from 0.18 to 100 kilowatts, and the power range is very wide. So for this type of gearbox can be applied in light industry and heavy industry. Later we will show you some application pictures and videos to help you to know it clearly about the application. And for this S-series, the power range is from 0.18 to 222 kilowatts.
Okay, Anna, I think this is very good.
Yes.
And it can help customer follow up the application requirements and choose the different products series.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, and another question. Okay. How about the speed ratio for the 4 series gearbox?
Okay, for this R-series, the ratio is from 1.3 to 289.6. And for this F-series, it's from 3.81 to 281.71. And for this P-series, it's from 5.36 to 197.27. And for this S-series, it's from 6.35 to 292.5. So this can meet the different requirements for different working conditions.
Okay, and as we can know that the speed ratio is an very important data for the customer.
Yes.
Before the choose suitable and right model size, we need confirmed by the customer, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, that's great. And so I hope the friends in our level showroom, if you have any repairs and if you are interested in about our 4 series gearbox, also other gearboxes, you can follow us and leave your contact information to our service person and leave your WhatsApp number, email address, WeChat account, and Skype account. And our service will talk with you, give you better and more information. And also, you will have the chance to get our free sample.
Wow, free sample?
Yes.
Oh, sounds good.
Yes. So now, as you can know, just we mentioned about the speed ratio. So this data is very important. If you are interested in our 4 series gearbox, you can leave your this data in your details requirement. So we can give you the best driver solution firstly.
Okay, wow.
Okay, and now next question.
Okay,
now our question is continue. Okay, and how about the Tokyo for the gearbox?
Actually it achieves high drive torque up to 50,000 Nm, except this S-series.
which can reduce the operating cost for our customers.
Okay. And we know that speed ratio is important data for the choose right model size. So the Tokyo data is also important.
Yes.
As we know, the customer, according to the customer different application, so the requirement of the Tokyo is also different.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, so this data is also needed to be compared with the reference before the choose the right model size.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Right.
great. And Anna?
Yes.
Can you introduce about how about the input for the R-series gearbox?
Okay, for this R-series, the input part can be this IEC flange like this sample, and also can be the solid input shafts or directly connected with the motor. Actually, for this IEC flange, it's easy to change the gearbox or motor. And for the solid input shaft, it can be connected with the motor by belt or coupling. And actually, directly connected with the motor is the most popular and the most sellable type because it can save space and also can save the cost.
Okay. And how about output type for the R-series gearbox?
Okay, for this output, you can see like this sample, this solid output shafts, and also can be the output flange. Actually, today we want to mainly introduce our new R-series inline helical gearbox.
And you mentioned the new series inline helical gearbox.
Yes, you are right.
And our Aokman named the RNF9 series inline helical gearbox.
Yes, yes, you are
Okay,
right.
please.
Okay, actually this flexible, this new R-series with a flexible output flange. I will show you this sample. You can see this flexible output flange, and actually our new R-series with the same output dimensions as SEW, and also has the same design as CD with the flexible output, with the flexible mounting position and the flexible design. And also it is very easy to load it and remove this output flange. And also it is very easy to handle this output flange for our clients. And actually also if you want to have the stop siding, it is a very good and wisdom choice for you because it can save the cost.
Yes, since the flange can be this same blade and flexible, so this series is very popular in the market, and most importantly, this series can save the customer money. Yes. And also, our RN9 series gearbox can adopt different installation ways, so can meet a lot of customer different mounting equipment.
Yes, yes, you are right. And also we have the certificate for this RNF9. We will show you our certificate picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, this is the certificate for our new R-series inline helical gearbox.
Okay, please. Okay, this also our R-series inline helical gearbox with the output flange. Next. This is our S-series gearbox with the motor. Next. This is our K-series inline helical barrel gearbox.
This is the S-series with the output flange, solid output shaft. Actually, this is our blue color. Actually, our blue color is different from market. You can see from our pictures that we showed just now. And actually, we can make other colors like the gray color. or we can customize as customer request for different colors.
Okay, and
Yes.
which color you like?
I think I like blue color.
Oh.
How about you?
I prefer both color because I think each one have its own advantage.
Yes.
Okay, Anna, let's continue our question.
Okay.
And okay, you introduce about the mounting position for the R-series gearbox.
Okay. For this R-series, the mounting position you can see like this sample, a foot mounted and a flange mounted, two options.
Okay, foot and flange.
Yes.
And how about the mounting position for the K-series gearbox?
Okay, for this K-series, it can be the foot mounted like this sample, and also can be the flange mounted and shaft mounted. Actually, for this F-series and X-series is the same as this K-series.
Yeah, so we need to confirm with customer before the production, confirm which position they need.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, that's great. And we hope the friends in our level showroom, if you are very interested in our products, please follow us and don't miss this opportunity. Listen our introduction carefully. You will get a lot of more information, and this information will help you to get more surprise.
Yes.
Yeah, and leave your contact information to our service person. You will get our Aokman furniture done simple.
Yes.
Yeah. If you want to take this opportunity, and you can leave your contact information now, and our service person will answer to you. Maybe you will become the next lucky person.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You must be.
Yeah. Okay, Anna.
Yes.
Aokman's 4 series gearbox has the advantage of modular design.
Yes.
So please listen.
Okay.
Which type of gearbox can combine with the R-series inline hyper gearbox?
Okay, this R-series can be combined with R-series and UD series speed variator.
And which type of gearbox can be combined with the K-series inline hyper gearbox?
Okay, for this K-series can be combined with this R-series and UD series speed variator. Actually, for this kind of combination, the ratio will become bigger because the ratio will be equal to one gearbox ratio times another gearbox ratio. Because maybe some of our clients have this kind of requests.
Okay, about our R-series inline helical gearbox and the K-series helical fiber gearbox, and we have given you detailed answer about the modular design this part. And hope you can answer clearly. And next we'll have the more information for you.
Okay.
And Anna,
yes.
How about the packaging ways for the Aokman gearbox?
Okay, actually we do standard and most safe package for our customers. Try to avoid any damage or breakage during transportation, and we will show you some pictures to help you to understand it much better.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the picture.
From this picture, you can see our products put in the standard export wooden case.
Yes.
And the customer can be rest assured that the wooden case with the best quality and the safety of the goods can be guaranteed during the transportation.
Yes.
And Anna,
yes.
Now I have another question needed you to answer our friends in the level showroom.
Okay.
And we want to know the which main process of the gearbox during the production to ensure the gearbox running smoothly.
Okay, this is also a very good question because this is also related to our quality control. Actually, all the shaft wiring and other parts are tested in the middle of production and also must be 100% tested before shipment in order to guarantee the reliable quality and the smooth running work for our end users.
Okay.
Yes.
And what's the main application for the Aokman gearbox?
Okay, actually these 4 series can be applied in many industries such as chemical, mechanical, packaging, textile, mining, sugar mill, environmental protection, cement, and other fields.
Oh.
Yeah, later we will show you some application pictures and videos to help you to know it clearly.
Yes. But Aokman R-series inline gearbox have long history and full experience. Yeah,
industry, right?
and with the full experience of the industry. So I will show you details picture to help you better understand about our R-series gearbox. Okay, please.
Okay, actually this is also for the packaging just now we mentioned. Okay, next one.
Okay, you can see this our R-series inline gearbox used for the food machine. This machine is named full meal. It's from our Nigerian customer send the feedback to us. And this customer also our Nigerian customer, the first customer on the food industry. Until now, we still have the good relation business cooperation. And the customer use our R-series inline gearbox is very well. And also hope we can continue our best support. We also very grateful for this customer. And so if you have such requirements, you also can leave your details requirements to us. We will give you better solution.
Okay, actually for the P series, for vertical conveyor, P series is the most popular against any other type. So we will show you the picture. You can see this is our P series finished products are ready to ship. Next one. This is also finished P series. Okay, next one. This is the P series applied on conveyor. Next one. This is the P series applied on conveyor 2. Yeah.
Okay, in the following time, we will show you more details picture of the application so you can better understand our Aokman gearbox used for the application range. Okay, from this picture you can see it's our R-series inline gearbox used for the sugar mill. Next. This also inline gearbox used for the packaging machine. This our K series helical gearbox used for the conveyor. And this also K series helical gearbox used for the crane. And this one also K series helical gearbox used for the food machine. Yes, this one also the industry needed machine.
Yes.
Okay, we also have prepared the details video so you can better understand about the 4 series gearbox of Aokman.
Yes. Okay. This is the R, F, and T series. This is the R series finished products. F series finished products. T series finished products. And this is actually with different mounting positions and different output options. Test, inspection, and this is the housing line. This is the production line. Actually, you can see this is the blue color. As just now I mentioned, we can make different colors. And this is the applications for different industries. Packaging. Okay. Yeah. And actually, from our videos and our application pictures, you will know our products can apply on different industries. And also from the details, all the details that we introduced, and I believe you know that we don't do one-time business with our customers. We are committed to winning a partner rather than a simple supplier. Make a great deal, always consult Aokman professionals. We assure you the utmost reliability and security, both on products and services. We are Aokman, your total drive solution provider. Okay, we went through the exteriors, 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 and exteriors. Actually, we also make the introduction about the high precision gearbox, ATA shaft mounted gearbox, and other series one gearbox for today. And we will have another show on March 22nd. Hope to see you.
Yes.
Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.
Aokman, a leader in the manufacturing of special industrial gear units and standard gear motor. The factory was founded in 1982. 800,000 square meters of surface. Production made of more than 2,000 experienced workers. Over 30 years of experience in gearbox manufacturing. Aokman always improved gearing technologies with the spirit of craftsmen. Superior research and development design capabilities have become the primary productive force of Aokman's rapid development. R&D concept. Inspiration to provide the perfect drive solution